Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is HBS Omapoch Beauty and Skincare. If this is your first time on my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make an upload. If you would like to be trained by me, we have online classes going on for basic and advanced training. So just send me a message with the number showing on the screen to register for our training, online training. And if you'd like to buy any of my products, be it Ashoke, Gele, makeup products, organic ingredients, just send me a message. Today I'm going to be showing you a very unique recipe on how to make body butter. This body butter is quite different from what you know and what you have been seeing, and your body butter will be non-greasy and it will be so moisturizing and hydrating. So stay tuned to the end of the video, don't go anywhere so you won't miss out on any information. So let's get to the video. I'm going to be using butters and oils for what I want to make. I'm making a simple body butter, so all I need is just butter and oil. So I'm going to be adding some other recipe which I'm going to be showing you along the line, so just stay tuned. I'm going to measure out all my ingredients now. I'll be needing 150 grams of cocoa butter, cocoa butter is so thick. So this is shea butter. I'll be needing 100 grams. So next one is mango butter. So I just need very small quantity of this. So like I told you, this recipe is unique, quite different from what you know. So just keep watching. Don't go anywhere. So what I have here is sunflower oil, rosehip oil, and lavender oil. Then I'll be measuring stearic acid. I'll be using stearic acid. I'll be using 25. So I'm using beeswax. Okay, so this is chamomile. I skipped the video. I didn't record when I measured it. So this is 5 grams of chamomile. I'll be using 2 fragrances. I'll be using strawberry and banana because I want my butter to smell nice. So right now I'm going to take all the butters and the oils to melt down. Okay, so in here I have all the butters and the oils, the stearic acid. I'm going to melt it down. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my oils and butters after melting down. It's hot right now, so I'm going to put it in a freezer to cool for some minutes before whipping it. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I had to put it back in the freezer for like 10 minutes. Then I'm going to whip it again. I'm going to keep whipping it till I get the consistency I want. This is taking a whole lot of time, so I think I'm going to whip it behind camera. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to add the other ingredients and continue whipping. This is my arrowroot powder. I'm going to add my arrowroot powder into it. So this is my arrowroot powder. I'm going to whip it. So the effect of this is to reduce the greasy nature of the butter. That's the effect of the arrowroot. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the essential oils and the fragrance. This is okay, here I am. I whipped the hell out of this butter and wow, it's so fluffy. You need to check this out.
This is so creamy. It's so lovely. I love it. It looks so nice. It's so fluffy. So this is how to fill your containers with a piping bag.
Okay guys, this is my whipped body butter. This butter is so fluffy, you need to feel it on your skin. It's so fluffy. So this recipe is one of the best recipe you can find. You can try it out and you can use it on children, you can use it on your body, you can use it on your face, you can use it on an adult, you can use it on anybody. You can use it as anti-aging, you can use it as a moisturizer. It goes for virtually anything, like any purpose. It's really good. Okay guys, we have come to the end of the video. If you like this video, if you find it helpful in any way, kindly thumbs up for me, share my video among your friends, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I make an upload. Thank you once again. Till my next video. Bye.